guys, I'm Peter from Poland. People call me Kashub. I'm a user of camper van. I have been interested in camper tours for many years. I have two camper vans and one caravan area, and I build two camper vans by myself, by just two hands. It's my hobby. I just finished to build a masterpiece just behind me. You can see that? That's good stuff. After many years of practice and thousands of kilometers, I learned that I have to buy things good, equipment that has been tested by myself and my friends. My windows, the new windows, which I never used them before. Here, you can see that, and I like that. Look at that. You can see that. They're almost flat. Look at the windows from inside. The window has a thermal roller, which is here, and a mosquito grid, which is here, which is here. Tick, pach, it's open. There are three hooks to close the windows. You can do this very gently, no problems. What can I say more? I have these windows for a year now, and I can really recommend that it with clear conscience. They're really good stuff. Really good stuff.